Hi, if you need to change screen timeout on your HUAWEI Band 9, then you will need to find this button on the right side of your band first, which is the power button. So press it once to open the list of apps, and here scroll to see the settings. Here we need to find and select the display and brightness, and after that on the bottom of the screen we can see this sleep feature. So go in here and we'll see three options for our display: 10 seconds, 15 seconds and 20 seconds, and also the auto one. So if you want to change your screen timeout duration to the 10 seconds, just switch to this option just by tapping it and it will be set it automatically. If you want to select 20, then just tap it and you can see this pop-up notification that the longer screen times means shorter battery life. If you agree with that, just tap the check mark and the changes will be enabled. So yeah, that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.